take you over, you just can't breathe. Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake?
Today we're doing a gorgeous orange cut crease with a gold accent line. Make sure you prime your eyelids before getting started. Using a nice light orange shade, I go ahead and take a fluffy brush and blend that into my crease. Beginning to define my eye shape, I take a little bit of a deeper shade and go ahead and follow that same motion. Taking a little bit of a deeper orange shade to make sure we have that definition for the cut crease, I blend that into my crease using the same fluffy brush as the first two. Now taking some white concealer. White is essential for this, especially because we want a white area on the eye. I begin to define the space that I want it to fill, and even though I'm struggling just a little bit, it's important to keep working it until you find what you want. So now I'm just kind of blending out the white, getting it to be pretty even across the eyelid, especially since we're not covering it up with a different shadow that will just hide all of the imperfections. Now taking a white shadow on a small little brush, I go ahead and begin to pack that on and help it kind of all blend together nicely. Now taking some loose pigment from MAC as well as some mixing medium, I take it on a small little paintbrush and really just trace over that line that I created with my cut crease. It's okay if you don't get this on the first try, it's a little difficult and you do need to have a steady hand, but once you get it, it really just brightens up the look a ton. Now, even though my hand's in the way, I can still kind of tell you what's going on. So right now, I am adding on a nice winged line to match up with the corner of that gold. And then I'm going ahead and taking some orange on that same little fluffy brush and putting it on the bottom of my lash line. Time to put some lashes on. Lashes are essential to make this look pop. Let me know what you guys think. And I can't wait to see what you guys end up doing with this look.